Hello, this is Claudia, your Spanish teacher from Spangle Italian Learn Spanish, where you can learn Spanish the easy and fun way. By the end of this video, you will know 12 words for savory foods in Spanish. La comida salada en español. I will also help you with some pronunciation aspects of some of the words. And at the end of the video, we'll do a quiz so you can check how much you've learned. Okay, ¿estás listo? ¿Lista? Vamos.
Spangle Italian.
Número 1. Papas fritas. Papas fritas. Muy bien. Número 2. Papitas fritas. Papitas fritas. So normally you would distinguish between chips and crisps because the crisps are normally referred to as little chips. So that's why you get the diminutive itas, papitas. So papitas fritas. Número 3, sal. Sal. Muy bien. Número 4, pan. Pan. Número 5, lentejas. Lentejas. So you have that j sound of the J. Lentejas. Muy bien. Número 6, queso. Queso. So remember the QUE is pronounced que. So you don't pronounce the U is silent. So not queso, queso. Muy bien. Número 7, verduras. Verduras. Número 8, garbanzos. Garbanzos. Muy bien. Número 9, pizza. Pizza. The same as in English, the same as in Italian, the same as everywhere. Pizza. Número 10, pasta. Pasta. So this is the generic name for every pasta, every type of pasta. When you want to cook pasta, you just say in Spanish pasta. Número 11, arroz. Arroz. Finally, número 12, huevos. Huevos. The H is silent. Huevos. But you have to pronounce all the vowels in between. Huevos. Muy bien. Now we're going to go through all of them again as a list, okay? So I will read them and you say them with me. Papas fritas. Papitas fritas. Sal. Pan. Lentejas. Queso. Verduras. Garbanzos. Pizza. Pasta. Arroz. Huevos. Muy bien. And now we're going to do a quiz. So I'm going to point at some things and you have to say what they are in Spanish or what they are in English. Easy peasy. Muy bien. So, ¿qué es esto? What is this? Muy bien. Huevos. Huevos. ¿Qué significa esto? What does this mean? Sí. Lentils. Lentils. Lentejas. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? Sí, pan. Ok. ¿En qué significa esto en español? Garbanzos. Muy bien. Okay, so now you know 12 words to talk about savory foods in Spanish. Now tell me, what is your favorite savory foods? Do you know other names of other savory foods in Spanish that you like? My favorite savory food is probably pizza or chips. So pizza or papas fritas. Let me know in the comments, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao! Bye!